the roof. When the sky is covered with dark clouds and it starts raining, have you ever listened to the patter of soft rain on the roof? What thoughts flashed through your mind as you heard this melody of nature? Let's recite the poem to find out what the poet dreamed of while listening to the rain. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being starred, and 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof, of the rain upon the roof by Kinney.